y'all, today I'm going to be showing you how I crochet my mohawk for my birthday, which was back in June. I did have my hair wrapped up and I had my hair braided underneath because I shampooed it the night before and I actually had to be somewhere the next day, so I didn't have time to do it. So I'm going to start off by taking one side of my braids down so I can work with that side. Well, first I got to show you my shirt because legends are born in June. Hello. I'm going to be adding coconut oil into the side of the hair that I took down. And this is just so that my hair can smell fresh even when it's dirty. And I noticed that coconut oil has that effect on my hair and I just love that. But I put it on there just for that purpose. And I am brushing my hair out because it was already detangled before I put it into the braids. But of course, I have ethnic hair, so I like to continue to detangle. Like, I'm probably going to continue to detangle even after I part my hair to braid. So just detangling so that it will be a lot easier for me to work with and part through. Now I'm parting my first braid, and this is going to be the braid that falls in my face because y'all know I like my beads on the side, whether it's one side, two sides, or whatever. So that's what this braid is going to be for. Okay, so once I section that off, I'm going to clip away the excess hair so it doesn't get in the way while I'm braiding. Okay, so for a tip, which I'm sure most of y'all know, if you don't have someone to help you part, you would need to have a mirror behind you and hold a mirror in front of you and put it at the angle that you need so that you can see what your part looks like or whatever it is that you're trying to look at in the back of your head. And that's how I do my hair all the time. A lot of people ask me like, oh my gosh, how do you do your own hair? And basically that's it. Like, that's how I can tell whether my parts are straight or not. And it does take a lot longer for me to part my hair than it does to part other people's hair because obviously I have to keep stopping and looking in the mirror and doing all of that, but it's still worth it. So okay, so now I'm parting my hair so that all the braids can go in the direction of the mohawk. And I don't have a blueprint on how I actually want the braids to go, but I know that I want the finished product to be a crochet mohawk. So when I started my braids, I didn't know like what design I wanted or anything. I just started parting and it happened. Besides the one braid that I knew I wanted beads on in the front. That's it. Y'all are going to see my child pop in my lap in a minute, and just warning you, this is exactly what I meant about him being talkative, because in the video that he was in previously, the homeless video, he was so shy and I don't know why, but y'all about to see right now.
We got a YouTube channel that's Relax and Relax.
What is that? I don't know what that is.
A YouTube channel.
What is Relax and Relax? What's that?
My YouTube channel.
What is it about?
It's about people.
Ulex and Vlex?
Huh?
You came up with that name by yourself?
Okay, bye. I'm done.
Okay, so after that abrupt ending, this is what the sides of my hair looks like. And in order to do this crochet mohawk, I'm just gonna braid all the braids down the center, just braid it into one big braid. Once I'm done with the braid, I take my crochet hook and pull the hanging piece through the foundation piece so that it's secure while I am crocheting the extensions onto my hair. The extensions I'm using are by Freetress Braid. I'm using the Bohemian braid in 20 inches, and this is in the color 1B. And they look like a pack of ramen noodles. Yes, they do. And I'm also using the same brand, same style in the color PU, which is purple, because it's my favorite color. And it's my birthday and I wanted a pop of color. So I'm going to be cutting this hair in half because it is going to be a short mohawk. And after cutting it in half, I don't really separate the hair. I just put the whole piece that comes out onto my hair. And I do have crochet tutorials if you want to see a slower walkthrough of me putting the hook through and pulling it out. But basically, you put the hook through your hair, make sure that it is open, put the hair on the hook, close the hook, make sure that it's closed before you pull it through, and then go ahead and knot the hair. And that's how you add hair. So as you can see, I have like basically my whole back done. I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to add the hair, and I'll be back. Okay, so in order to get a realistic look instead of the ramen noodle look, I'm using my Denman brush to kind of frizz this hair out a little bit and not have it be so, I don't even know how to describe the hair, but I just want it to look better, okay, and more like my natural hair, you know. So my natural hair has a lot of frizz, and you know, it's very ethnic, as I've already stated in this video, as you already saw in the beginning of the video. So like, I need to use the brush to make sure that it resembles my hair a little bit at least. I'm also using my shears to get the mohawk look, and you know, I like to eyeball when it comes to styles like this, just because like it's going to be different for everybody. You're going to want your hair to lay in a certain type of way. but I'm just cutting my hair to the desired length that I want, and then I'm just going to be shaping it into the mohawk that I want it to be. And so basically for the rest of the tutorial, minus the bead part, I'm going to just defrizz and go back and forth with my Denman brush and my shears to make sure that I get the look that I want. So just sit tight. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back with a pack of colorful beads because I have a patch of color in the front of my hair and it's my birthday and I'm a Gemini and I'm somebody different right now. Okay, so I'm going to start by putting the beads on my hair, and I don't have my beater that I use in all my other tutorials where I add beads to my braids. In order to bead your hair without a beater, you want to fold the end of the braid and twist it so that it's as skinny as possible. You kind of look at it as threading a needle. You want to make sure, like, when you're threading the needle, the thread is small and it does go through the eye of the needle easily. That's what I did with this braid, and it took me almost forever to get these beads on, but once I did, hallelujah. Once I got to the end or the last bead, I just wrapped the hair around the last bead as normal and wrapped the rubber band around to secure it. I did also change these beads out, and you can do that. You can change your beads out or whatever to get a different kind of look. When it was my birthday dinner, I changed the beads to gold to match my accessories. So that was it. This is the finished look. Thank y'all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.